Hey everybody, Davey Crackcorn here, and I'm going to do a quick little rundown of Stitch Fix for men. What this is, it's a styling service for clothes from footwear to headwear for guys who need help with fashion, and I'm one of them. I'm a typical blue-collar guy. I spend most of my time in workwear, and I need help when it comes to anything regarding fashion or style, because I really don't know. And I'm okay with not knowing. Anyways, it's a personal stylist, and you fill out a quick little survey of your fashion style and all that stuff, and they send you clothes. And it comes in a box like this, and let's open it up and get started. Okay, this is what is inside the box. The first thing is a bag to send what you don't want back. It's already self-addressed, stamped envelope, all that stuff. And here's the clothes. All right, my stylist sent me a long sleeve shirt, Fairline and Sons. Yep, that looks like something I would wear. Next, a polo, purple, cool. One Algo company, cool. Something I would wear. Next, a Hawker and Rye Henley style shirt. Oh, this one's pretty cool. This is a flag and anthem. I don't even know what you want to call this, but it's awesome. Next is a Liverpool denim blue jean. All right, let's try it on. Okay, first the shirt. Love it. My style. Looks good. Good modern pattern and everything. I like it. Cool. The pants. I'm not a skinny jean guy. I don't even know why they really sent it to me, because I marked no skinny jeans. I guess they're good. I don't know. But I'm not keeping them. Okay, next is a polo. I love it. I was never a polo guy until I started getting these actual nice polos from Stitch Fix, and I like it. Okay, next is this Henley style t-shirt. I like it once again. I love it. Keeping it. Okay, so this last one, it's a thermal style hooded. Thermal Henley long sleeve thing. I love it, absolutely love it. It's a little short though, so I'm probably gonna send it back. But other than that, I like it. Okay, we're gonna do a quick rundown of price. So first, this Flag and Anthem thermal, $49.50. Probably not a bad price because it's a cool piece. Unfortunately, it's too short on me, so I'm gonna send it back. Next is this, the Liverpool jeans, $89. Probably not a bad price, but I'm going to send them back because I'm not a skinny jean guy. Next is this Fairline and Sons long sleeve button down shirt, $49.50. I don't know, maybe a little expensive for a button down shirt, but it's stylish, fits good, so I'm going to keep it. I think you got to pay for stuff that fits good, so I'm going to keep it. Next is this Hawker and Rye light blue t-shirt, $36. It's a cool piece, fits good, I'm keeping it. Okay, and finally is this Algo purple polo. It fits like a glove, I love it. $39, not a bad price, I'd say. So I'm keeping it. Okay, so the total price for this box is $263. Not bad for 5 pieces. I had a if you buy it all, you get a $25 discount, which takes $65 off. And then the total would be $197. Not bad. You know, basically $200 for several outfits. It's not really bad. And I done it all I didn't have to go shopping at all. So that was the cool part about this. You know, you don't have to go to a store, you can try it on right here. And if you don't like it, send it back. So the cool thing is they also sent me a referral link. So if anybody out there sees this and they want to try this, use the link that's in the details below, and you get $25 off, which helps. Anyways, great box once again. I love it, and I recommend every guy out there who doesn't like going shopping for clothes or really knows anything about fashion or style to try this service. It's great, works for me. Thank you.